I think a lot of people have the courage to dream. I think a lot of people have the ability to dream of something different, something that they want to do, something that they want to see, especially where they want to see themselves in the next 4 years or 5 years. But the problem is not a lot of people have the courage to speak it. Maybe it's the fear that if we do speak it, someone may say, oh man, like that's never going to happen to you. That's never going to happen to you. Look at where you are right now and doing what you're doing right now. This will never, ever happen to you. So you don't speak it. Because once you speak it, 50% you're putting it into existence. Somewhere you're putting it into existence. And when that thing happens, you're like, okay, you know what? I said this is going to happen. But when you don't speak it out of fear that what people may think, what people may say, that your dreams are too big, your dreams are so stupid, get real, reality is not like this, that's not the reality you can ever live. I think you're just killing yourself like that. You're suppressing yourself like that. So keep dreaming. But when you dream, man, speak out your dreams to people. Speak them out, no matter how wild they are. No matter how wild they are, speak them out.